everyone, I'm Sanaz. Welcome to my travel channel. Today I am visiting the world's largest olive oil museum. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe for more travel adventures. It's all about olive oil production from 2,500 years ago all the way to today. You can really feel how important olives were even centuries ago. Inside you will find a chronological exhibition of olive crushing technologies from ancient human and animal powered presses to steam-driven machines and modern centrifuges. We'll start from the very beginning, from the oldest tools to the newest technology. But first, check out this olive tree root. It's massive and absolutely amazing. Look at how twisted this root is. You can tell this tree has been growing for hundreds, maybe even thousands of years. I just want to reach out and touch it to really feel its age and strength. This is how they did it 2,500 years ago, just using stones to crush the olives and gather the oil. It's the oldest method of olive oil production. Later, they started using animals to do the heavy work of crushing olives and making oil. This photo gives you a clear idea of how olive oil production evolved over time. Here you can also see where they used to store the olive oil. This vessel dates back about 3,000 years. They used it to carry olive oil, wine, and wheat. Later on, they started adding iron parts to the machines, so crushing olives became easier. Little by little, their technology improved and eventually they started using electric-powered olive oil factories. After that, they started using diesel-powered systems and newer machines based on today's technology. That was the story of olive oil production. You can really see how much effort they put in just to make olive oil. It was such a big part of their lives, even centuries ago. Before I go, I wanted to show you this old cafe, nearly 90 years old. The kitchen items inside are full of history. Looking at them, you can almost feel the past. Thank you so much, my dear friend, for watching all the way to the end. It really means a lot to me. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures.